Okay, folks, error was there. It's not new array, it's new names. Okay, let's just save that and let's try again. Okay, so populate array. I'm going to put some names in. Mark. Okay, Dave. Okay, Pete. You can see the array is being populated. Joe, etc. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button now. Give it a thumbs up. If you're in the mood, drop a comment. Just say hello or something like that, you know, and I'll respond to you. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.